Hello, I'm Sune Mathiesen, CEO of Lithium Harvest. I wanted to share a quick Christmas update and say thank you. This year, we have had strong conversations with our partners and we have advanced several promising projects in our pipeline. The goal is simple: to accelerate lithium supply faster, at a lower cost, and in a more sustainable way. I want to thank our employees, our partners, and our investors. Your dedication is what's building a company that aims to revolutionize how lithium is sourced, turning waste streams into a resource. Looking ahead, we're excited about what's coming early next year. We will have our demonstration plant and digital twin ready to accelerate project economics and decision making. And to deliver new lithium supply, not just talk about it, we are now moving into commercialization. And that's why we are currently raising $60 million to commercialize our projects and to move from pipeline to production. Our plan targets first production in 2027, scaling to nearly 50,000 tons of lithium carbonate at full nameplate in 2029. What excites me most is what this enables: more resilient supply chains, lower impact lithium, and real progress for the energy transition made possible by the people behind it. On that note, from all of us at Lithium Harvest, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.